Hey guys, in this video, we'll show you how to install the Apollo Group TV app on your Firestick. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, make sure your Firestick is plugged in and powered on. Go to the home screen and select Settings from the top menu, My Fire TV or device depending on your Firestick version. Next, select Developer Options. Make sure Apps from Unknown Sources is turned on. Navigate to the search icon and type in Downloader. Select the Downloader app from the search results and install it. Once installed, open the Downloader app and the Download Our app. You will see a field to enter URL. Type in the URL for the Apollo TV app's APK file. Once the download is complete, you will see an option to install the app. Click Install and wait for the process to finish. After installation, you can open the Apollo Group TV app directly from the Downloader app or find it in your Apps and Channels section. In the home screen, launch the app, log in with your credentials, and you're all set to enjoy your content. So that's basically how you can install the Apollo Group TV app on your Firestick. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one.